Remember I recorded a video, I think that was in episode either 1 or 2, where I spoke about a hat I saw from Queen's Afrique that I really liked. So oh, interesting. Well, let me know if you prefer this one or the previous one, right? But I'll be recording today's episode with this one. So, hello. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so first off, we'll be starting with Anaanse. Well, Anaanse, but it's double A, so Anaanse. Hopefully, I'll find out how it's pronounced. But for now, Anaanse. So it's I guess a recruitment and job search platform, right? So job seekers, employers, career centers. So let's check out the job search, job seekers. Okay, so I guess this is the job seekers. Create account or login. The spider. Discover internship tailored to your field, development and IT. Okay, so I guess it's mainly for internships. It's not really like it's not for every single type of job. It's mainly for internship, right? That's what I understand by what I'm seeing so far. They also have merch, rep the brand. This is actually a nice looking shirt. Okay, now I don't know if I would even I might get this. Who knows? I mean, I already have this from Queen's Afrique, so but I really like the design of the shirt. I like I don't know if that's gold, but the way it goes around, right? Alright, so that's for the job seekers. Let's check out the employers. A smarter way to hire college students and early talent. So yeah, I think it's mainly for internships. Oh, interesting. So these are the companies that are currently on the platform. And you can actually see the links are active, right? So if I'm hovering over them, you can see the bottom left, the links are changing. So let's open a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so which one is this? Think upside down. Sculptor. Profile info. It's a team of thinkers. Contact. Oh, so this is their website. Interesting. And this is Kazi. Community connecting football players and career opportunities. Interesting. Yo-yo things. An African hip hop. Yo-yo things. An African hip hop platform dedicated to archiving, documenting, promoting, and developing hip hop, based in Accra, Ghana. Oh, I like that. Jobs, no active jobs. Cool, no problem. Media. Okay, and let's see. IH Group, next gen storytelling agency utilizing new media. Okay, no jobs either. Point, no information, no jobs. Touch Stack Technologies, our startup is driven by passion. Okay, well, I guess this has given me a whole list of startups to explore. So I guess we'll be exploring those ones in the next episode. Let me check the first one's jobs. Oh, graphic designer. Okay, so it looks like if you are looking for some jobs, posted almost 2 years ago. Yeesh. Okay. Kazi, no jobs. Yo-yo things here, no jobs. Okay. So I'm not sure if the platform is still active. I'm not so sure. I mean, the platform is up and running. So my hope is that it is active, but I'm not seeing a lot of activity going on, so I can't really tell. Let me check if they have a YouTube. It doesn't look like it. Let's go to their LinkedIn. 651 followers. That's cool. Okay, looks like they have a WhatsApp community. Okay, I'll check it out. This was 5 days ago. Oh wow. Okay, so I guess they are still active. Yeah, they are still active. Okay. So they are still active. Definitely check them out. Feel free to check them out. And if you are an employer, if you are a startup, you can actually use their platform to find new talent as well, right? And it looks like they also have a WhatsApp community where they share these opportunities. So if you are a startup looking to hire new talent, you can check them out and use their platform. If you are early in your career, you are looking for internships and early entry job offers, you can also check them out. That's Anaanse. Anaanse.com. Next up is BuddyVotes, buddyvotes.io. So they are an e-voting platform, and I've actually not seen any events they've hosted before, but I think I saw something. Where is it? Here, yeah, bringing back Miss Abuatre. Okay, so it looks like they are very early in their journey, right? I think they launched not too long ago. Let's check out their LinkedIn. Wow, 2K followers. That's sick. An event technology service, Vote Smart, BuddyVotes. It's a sharp product, empowering Africa with cutting-edge event technology solutions. Okay, so I did realize something about their platform that I felt was quite interesting. So when you go to vote on their website, it's actually an AI chatbot, right? So you are basically chatting with the bot and then doing the vote instead of the normal go to the website, look for the person you are voting for, enter the details and all that. You are just chatting with the bot, right? So enter your 4-digit nominee code. I don't have a code to enter, so checking for a match. Oops, that didn't compute. Okay, and it looks like their AI system was launched 3 months ago, right? So let's go and check out the award we just saw. So this is it. Okay, so A4Y8 and A5B7. Okay, and it looks like they also don't show you the events they have ongoing on their platform. I guess they hide every single event until you know there is a specific event you are trying to vote for. Then you just go to vote and then you type the 4-digit nominee code. So let's try this nominee code. I know that event is no longer active, so it might not work. Yeah, it didn't work. Okay, no problem. But yeah, it looks like the events are not shown to the public, and you need to have an event ongoing. There needs to be an event ongoing before, when you submit a nominee code, the AI chatbot is able to get you that nominee's details. I think the only difference that they have as compared to other e-voting platforms is the AI chatbot system, right? Which I am not able to fully determine whether it's working as it should or not, because I don't have a nominee code that I can use to check. Yeah, and it looks like their YouTube channel also doesn't have a run through, a breakdown of how exactly the voting is supposed to occur on the platform. So yeah, I guess if you are interested in using the platform, you could reach out to them, but your event will not be shown to people who come to the platform, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing, depending on the kind of event you are running. And if you want to vote, you come here and use the AI chatbot. I'm guessing they also have a USSD short code, but I guess all those details will be given to you if you register with them to actually use the platform. Okay, so it looks like this is what the platform looks like when you sign up with them. Add your events, nominations, collect nominations, settlements, ready to withdraw, pending settlement, withdrawn settlement, add settlement method. In order to start withdrawing funds, you need to link your mobile money or bank accounts. Please connect the accounts where you'd like us to transfer your funds. Settlements take up to 24 hours or less to reflect. So let's see our new event name. online and USSD, and then 12% for only online. Okay, so let's try this. Oh, submit for approval. Interesting. So you submit. Oh, okay, and then they have to review the event you are creating before you can actually go ahead with it. Okay, I feel like that's a bit of a bottleneck, but I mean it does make sense, right? So random people don't just come and create event, but at the end of the day, you are still the one raising the funds, right? All the funds are going to come through your platform. Nominations, let's see. Wow, okay, BuddyVotes is actually quite cool. They seem to give you a lot of things you can add to everything, right? So with the nominations, you have all these various aspects you can add. You can decide to ask for their phone number, Instagram, nationality, reason, and location. You can even add custom fields, right? So maybe if I wanted to get their example like student ID, I can add the field, right? Interesting. And then you can choose whether it's a paid nomination or an unpaid nomination. Then you set the start date and the end date. Wow, interesting. You can also set up settlement here, and then you can set up the event here. Yeah, so BuddyVotes seems to be doing their best to be a very modern solution when it comes to e-voting. If you prefer to have your events hidden from the public, and you prefer people not being able to see that your event is ongoing on their platform, and you like to have all the various controls for your events. For the nominations, you can set up all the various fields you want people to enter or to submit, all the information you want people to submit. For the events, you can set up the events. And also, if you like their approach with the voting, where you use you are using an AI chatbot, and then you just enter the person's 4-digit code and then click vote. Feel free to check them out, right? Okay, so that's BuddyVotes. They look like a very modern solution to a very saturated market, because I know there are a lot of e-voting platforms available in Ghana, and you can check them out if you are interested in what they have to offer. Last but not the least, we have LibiHomes. Lasting memory, steady return. So they look like they are they are into real estate, and they actually sell or rent. I don't know if they sell or they rent, but they have properties that you could purchase. So let's check out. There are 3 of them here. So there's one at Airport Residential, there's one at Community 26, and there's one at Cantonments. So the Airport Residential one, this is it, 9 floors, 41 to 220 square meters, 1 to 4 bedroom, 1 to 3.5 bathrooms. How do you have 3.5 bathrooms? Swimming pool, laundry, gym, Airport Residential area, key landmarks. Okay. Show apartment ready for viewing. Progress report. Mortgage calculator. Alright. So let's check out. I mean, the place looks good. there's no denying that. Okay, interesting. Progress report. Construction update. So this is January 2025. A tower structure complete. Enter. A tower structure complete. The Milton. Tower A structure complete. Tower B at rooftop and restaurant slab. Okay. All right, ongoing finishing of the first floor. Oh, okay. So progress report 2024, progress report. Oh, interesting. They even give you progress reports. That's cool. So this is the place, right? Or this is what it's supposed to look like. Because the last progress report that was in January shows that it's not yet complete. I don't know if between January and now they've actually completed it, but this is the one at Airport Residential, the Milton. Show home now open. And which one is this? This is the one at Community 26. Oh, okay. So it looks like it's a whole estate. So the one at Airport Residential is an apartment complex, and this one is an estate. It looks like Libby Prime, luxuriously designed for modern living. Yeah. Looks like it's an estate. Do they also have a progress report? Yeah, they do. So they have a show home now open. So I guess they have a few completed places you could check out. And let's check out the one at Cantonments. Okay, so it looks like the Cantonments one is fully available, fully ready. Project status April 2024. Yeah. So it looks like that one is ready, right? Gallery. Yeah, because they have the whole gallery of the various. Well, this looks CGI. Yeah, definitely CGI. Okay, but that's LibiHomes. If you're interested in their projects, if you're interested in any of their projects, if you're interested in renting or purchasing, an apartment or one of the rooms, you could definitely check them out. Waitema is the new Accra. Okay, they also have a blog. That's nice. Oh yeah, that's LibiHomes. You can check them out if you're interested in what they have to offer. It looks like they have been around for some time though, so yeah, that's quite interesting. You can call them, you can email them. Okay, so that wraps up today's episode for exploring the startup ecosystem in Ghana. I really hope you are enjoying this series, and from what we've seen so far, we are actually thinking of certain things we could actually do to help out the startup ecosystem in Ghana, right? Because we're noticing a few trends and a few missing pieces that could really help shed more light on the startups and the innovation we have in Ghana. So be on the lookout for that. And once again, if you like the hat, let me know. Yeah, so if you prefer this one or if you prefer the previous one, but I actually do like this one. So I think what I'll actually be doing is I'll be alternating between this and the previous one, right? Yeah. All right, see you in the next one.